Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solving an interesting maths Olympiad question, which is 8 to the power x over 24 is equal to 6, x is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths problem. So our math solution. Our question, which is 8 to the power x over 24 is equal to 6. This is our question. Then this is 8 to the power x over 24, you can say that it will be 8 times 3, this is 24. Then this 6, it will be 2 times 3. 2 times 3, this is 6. Now I multiply this below by 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 times 8 to the power x over 8 times 3 is equal to 1 over 2 times 2 times 3. I multiply both sides half. Then this cancel out. We are find out which is 8 to the power x over this 2 times 8, this is 16, and this is 3 is equal to this is 3. Then at this moment you can say this is 8 to the power x, okay, and this 16 times 3, or you can say 3 times 3, this is 9, here is 9, and I take this is 3, here 3 is equal to this 3 times 3. I multiply both sides again 3. Then this 3 cancel out. This is 8 to the power x over this is 16 is equal to 9. Or you can say 3 times 3, this is 9. Now we know that 8, it will be 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, and 2 to the power 4, this is 16. So if I evaluate this expression, it will be 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x, and this is 2 to the power 4 is equal to 9. Then this is 2 to the power 3 times x, this is 3x, over this is 2 to the power 4, and this is 9. Now according to exponential formula, we know that a to the power m over a to the power n, which is a to the power m minus n. If I apply this exponential math formula here, so this is 2 to the power 3x minus 4. Because of that, here is base is same, so exponent, I subtract this exponent, 3x minus 4 is equal to 9. Then I use both sides natural log 2 to the power 3x minus 4 is equal to log 9. Then this exponent move on in front, so which is 3x minus 9, then this is log 2, then this is log 9. Now I divide both sides by log 2. So if I divide both sides by log 2, we will find out which is 3x minus 4. Then if I divide this below by log 2, this is log 2, then here log 2, then this log 9 divide log 2. Now this cancel out. We will find out which is 3x minus 4 is equal to log 9, which is log 3 to the power 2, then here log 2. Now this is 3x minus 4, then this exponent move on in front, so which is 2 log 3 over log 2. Now this is 3x, and if I move on this 4 in this side, it will be positive 4 plus 2, then log 3 over log 2, which is log 3 base 2. I apply here is natural log formula, then it will be this. Then if I divide both sides by 3, we'll find out x is equal to 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 base 2. This is our final answer in this maths Olympiad question. This is the value of x. X is equal to 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 base 2. Now let's verify, or let's check out our question, which is 8 to the power x over 24 is equal to 6. This is our question. But 8, we know that 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, this is 8. And here is x. I take this x here over 24, and which is 6. Okay. Now you can say this is 2 to the power 3, and this x, it will be 4 over 3. Remember that this x, it will be 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 base 2. I take this value here plus 2 over 3 log 3 base 2 and over here is 24 is equal to 6. Now this is 2 to the power this times this 3 cancel out. This is 4 times, and this times this 3 cancel out. It will be 2 to the power, this is 2 log 3 base 2 and over 24 is equal to 6. Now because of that this 3 is cancel out, then this is 2 to the power 4, which is 16 times, and this is 2 to the power log 3 base 2, and these two move on here, so it will be this over 24. Then this is 16, and this is 2 to the power this to cancel out, this is 9, then over this is 24. Then this 24 divide 8, it will be 3. This 16 divide 8, this is 2. This 9 divide 3, this is 3. Now you can say 2 times 3, this is 6 is equal to 6. So this 6 here, so left hand side and right hand side both side is equal. So you can say here x is equal to 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 base 2. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this math problem, subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.